Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be making a Christmas drum ornament for the tree, and I'm going to do that using a tube, a cardboard tube, and some other materials that I have here in the craft room. If you want to see how I go about creating this little drum, make sure you stick around and watch the video. First thing I'm going to do is cut a piece of this tubing that is going to actually make the drum. So I'm going to make my drum about 4 centimeters high. So just very carefully, put the knife in, cut round. Okay. And then once you have that cut, I'm going to take some of this glitter card that I've got. This is fantastic because it's actually adhesive, and I'm going to draw a circle that I'm going to cut so I get a perfect top for the drum and also a bottom for the drum. It's the top and the bottom. It's got the adhesive backing on it, so you can pick this up at, well, hopefully most craft stores would have it. It just makes it life a whole lot easier when it comes to fitting pieces together when you don't have to glue them yourself. This is going to be the material that goes around the drum. So I think I might go this way because I can use the excess that's on this side then. I'm just going to cut. So using the glue gun, put a little bit of a strip of glue along your cardboard roll and then attach that to the fabric. I'm just showing you one I tried there with glue, which wasn't very good, so don't do that. Hot glue works much better. So attach that first, and then you can wrap your fabric around, maybe add in a little bit more hot glue in stages around the cardboard roll, and finishing off with some hot glue at the very end. With the hot glue than what I will if I use the other. So I'm just going to cut here, and I am going to fold that down on itself. Now I first saw this project online. I'll just put the name of that YouTuber's channel up on the screen now, which gave me the idea for this, which is awesome, and that's why I'm giving it a go. I thought I'd actually have a try and see whether or not I can make one of these. Okay, in we go, hot glue. That's much better already. You just get such a faster adhesion with this stuff. I don't know why I just didn't do that in the first place. So there we have the round of the drum, and we have the top and the bottom, which I'm going to peel off and add now. And if there is a little bit over like this, that's fine. Just take your scissors and you can trim that off, make it fit perfectly. Now I'm going to add a little bit of trim to around the outside. I've been waiting for some trim to come in the mail, so I'm going to be using this for today's job. And just put a little bit around the edge of the drum. This is just the zigzag string that goes around the drum. It is, I mean, you could probably go up to the $2 shop and purchase this sort of stuff up there really cheaply. But at the end of the day, it's not that hard to make it yourself. And it's a bit of fun. Passes the time away, especially if you're a bit crafty. And if you have kids, they love it. They love to make stuff. Get them off the iPads and get them into doing something that's a bit fun and crafty. All right. So that's just going to form the loop. Now I will go across with the zigzag. And I'll have another crack at using this. It's supposed to cut through wood and so on. I don't need it very big, probably just to there. Okay. And then just to finish this off, I'm going to put a little bit of greenery at the top. It's a bit weird, this wreath, to have just one or two of these round balls anyway, so I don't mind cutting them off. There we go. So there is a little drum, and it's that easy, not hard at all. If you've enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give me a like, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.